Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. Westmoreland Central Member of Parliament, George Wright, is now at the Freeport Police Station in St. James to be interviewed by the police. He arrived moments ago in the company of his attorney Abel on foot. Wright is being investigated in relation to the assault of a woman that was captured on camera. Here is the CCTV footage and the initial report made by him.
What was Mr. Wright saying?
Mr. Wright is saying that he saw her along the roadway, approached her, an argument ensued, resulted in a fight, and he was basically attacked by her. Punch, hit with shoes, and she used a stool to damage his feet. That's the essence of the police.
So he's in a sense, is he saying self-defense?
When he made the report, it's either he wasn't aware that the thing was being recorded, or he thought that information would not be shared.
And what's happened since with your investigations?
Well, he has not returned to give a statement. The lady gave a report, made a report at the Antwerp police station.
Right.
She has not returned to follow up by it.
And what have the police done?
We have found the location. We are trying to secure the video. We are trying to locate the lady as well. Reaching out to her, but we haven't found her again.
You haven't found her?
Mr. Wright has been elusive.
Okay.
At this time, we have interest in speaking to him, but not for arrest purposes just yet.
You're saying he's a person of interest?
Right.
So you're making appeals now for him to visit the police for further talks, interviews?
Well, both of them.
Right.
Both persons.
In terms of being elusive, what have the police done to find him? Have the police visited his home, his office?
We have. We've gone to his house. I've been calling him on phone.
When was the latest visit?
Yesterday. The information came to the police between Saturday and Sunday.
Between Saturday and Sunday?
Of the video, but we desperately need to find Missy. We need to contact us so we can have an understanding of